Hey guys, it's Nate with Skid Steer Solutions, and today we've got the Eterra EX-30 flail mower. We're going to be out here demoing on this nice piece of property. It's got a wide range of material to cut up, from larger trees down to some light brush. We're going to be pushing it to the max and maybe a little bit above that as well. But I'll jump into some specs as well on this so you guys kind of know what to look for. One of the really great things about the Eterra flail mowers is they set each one of these mowers to match your machine's flow. So each one of these is going to have an engine that's set exactly for your machine to make sure it's getting peak RPMs as well as power out of the mower head, allowing you to cut a very wide range of material. One of the nice things about flail mowers that you're going to notice over more of a rotary style mower is going to be flail mowers do take a little longer to process the same amount of material, but generally speaking, you're going to leave a much finer processed material, whereas a rotary style mower, you're going to leave a lot more chunks, a lot larger pieces of debris behind. Another nice feature is going to be the actual blades themselves. This set, the EX-30 here, has 20 blades on it. So those are actually swivel blades, so when they hit a larger tree or a rock, something that's not going to cut up, it actually allows those blades to swivel out of the way and keeps your RPMs up, which allows you to keep mowing for longer. So they have a lot of areas that are a little bit more open and cut down on some of the actual overall weight of the mower, yet still having it be a very strong frame, which allows you to mow a wide range of material and put on a very wide range of machines. Another really cool feature is going to be the bolt-on coupler. One of the things that allows you to do is, let's say 5 years down the road when you still have this mower, you can actually, get a new coupler and unbolt this one, bolt on the new one, and you're ready to go in just a matter of days. We got a wide range of brush to cut out here today, from some pretty small stuff all the way up to at least 6-inch, and we're gonna actually try to push it a little past that to show you guys what this mower can handle. But we got tons to do, so let's get after it and start the demo. right, guys, so that concludes the demo of the EX-30 by Eterra. And as you can see in the video, 6-inch is pretty standard for it to handle. Once you start getting into bigger stuff, you kind of have to take a couple more bites at it and go a little slower. But as you can see in the demo, it does a pretty good job. It's a pretty fun little attachment. We definitely enjoyed being out here today. You'll see on here, we'll show you some of the footage of the blades as well. We have some footage of the blades before. These were brand new blades when we started this job. And now, you know, after we've been using it for a couple hours out here and going into some pretty heavy stuff. I even got into some of the rocks and dirt as well, so probably gonna have some dings on those blades, but I wanna show you guys that. Feel free to leave us a comment in the comments below, or a like if you like this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.